So here's a brief summary of how I made Autumn River Road. And I started with a photograph that I put together from several photos. I made up the palette of Abaca and pigment. This is what my studio looked like. You can see how many colors I was using. And then I used my favorite tools, a spoon and a turkey baster, and the panel started coming together. Here I am painting the background of the third panel, which was the most time consuming. This one took quite a bit of time. And eventually though, the panels started to come together. These are the first three. And now the first three are done. I actually put these in an exhibition. And then the fourth and fifth panels started to come together until finally those were ready. And we installed it into the town hall in October of 2018. And these are the prints of the original that benefit the Tri-Town.